When I first started walleye fishing, picking the right rod was really kind of confusing. But as I've learned more and more about fishing, I got my own style and I really kind of simplified it in my head. So I use a number of different action rods. One of them for jig fishing, where I have a nice solid hook on a smaller jig, is a medium extra fast rod. The reason why is I want to be able to pick up line quick when I set the hook, and I'm not really scared about the fish getting off, and that's why that extra fast action is perfect. The next rod that I use a lot of is a medium fast action rod. This one's a little bit more forgiving, and the reason I use it on lures like a Johnny Darter or a shiver minnow is because it just has a small treble hook and really not a huge rear hook. So when I hook that fish, I'm going to be playing it a lot more defensively to keep that fish pinned and absorb its runs. The last walleye rod I use nowadays is a medium heavy rod. This one is really stiff, and it's a simple reason why. It's because I'm using a big heavy gauge hook. Now when I fish for walleyes with a Berkley swim bait jig head, which has a big 5/0 hook, I use a medium heavy rod so I can drive that hook home, and I'm not really worried about that fish getting off at all. So next time you're picking a rod, kind of match that rod weight and action to your hook size, and it'll become a lot more easier for you.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.